The book is my personal story, how I survived the genocide, and it is also the real life we lived inside the Hotel Milcolin, and the achievement of the Rwandan government this time. It goes over how we survived and discredit what RUSESABAGINA pretended to have done to the survivors who were in that hotel. RUSESABAGINA pretended to say he handedly saved 1,200 by himself inside that hotel. But that is not true. He just took advantage to the refugees. We paid for rooms. Those who had no money to pay, they were removed from the rooms. And he was just going outside and buy the liquor and bring back inside the hotel and sell them to the higher price. So that he was taking advantage to the refugee who were inside that hotel. Even he sold the food we get from the Red Cross. It's just, the book is that they just destroy the movie and tells the real story of what really happened inside the Hotel Milcolin. I talked to two different people. The book is not my personal story only. There are also other survivors who were together inside the hotel. There are more 10 people, and there are also the UN peacekeepers who were. There are so many people who just give testimony of what happened inside the hotel. And it matters today because he goes around, he uses his platform to destroy the country, the achievement of the country. So it matters today because even the movie is still alive and the story is still alive even today. So it challenges him what he talked about Rwanda.